India's External Affairs Minister Jaishankar strongly rejected Pakistan's role in the ongoing tensions between the United States and Iran, making it clear that India is not a broker country. The situation in West Asia and the US-Iran conflict were discussed in detail during a key all-party meeting in New Delhi. During the meeting, the government criticized Pakistan's attempt to mediate between the US and Iran. Jaishankar stated clearly, "We are not a broker country," adding that such a role for Pakistan is not new and has been used by the US in the past as well, particularly since 1981. The issue became more sensitive after US President Donald Trump expressed a positive view regarding Pakistan's possible mediation role, which intensified political debate in India. Opposition parties accused the government of remaining silent on the issue. Congress leader Tariq Anwar said Pakistan is playing an active role at the global level while India remains a silent spectator and demanded a full debate in parliament. The government rejected these allegations, stating that India has been responding consistently and engaging at the diplomatic level. According to the government, an appropriate diplomatic response was given following the killing of Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, which included an immediate visit by Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri. The meeting was attended by several senior leaders including Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Health Minister J.P. Nadda, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju, and from the opposition Tariq Anwar and Mukul Wasnik, Samajwadi Party's Dharmendra Yadav and BJD's Sismat Patra. Furthermore, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his conversation with US President Donald Trump, stressed that the war should end soon as it is having an impact on the entire world. The US-Iran conflict has destabilized the entire Middle East. Jaishankar's statement once again made it clear that India stands by its sovereign foreign policy and prioritizes its national interest rather than mediating in any global dispute.